In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can clear your Pinterest search history. Okay, so Pinterest has recently done an update where they previously had a setting where you could just go into the account settings of your account and then just clear the server history from there. But since the update, that is no longer available. So what you need to do is you actually need to go at the top where it says the search bar, just tap on the search bar. That's going to load up all your different searches. Then you'll see a little X next to each one of these search histories that you've searched for before. Now, this is going to be time consuming if you have a lot of search history or a lot of searches that you've made. But all you wouldn't have to do is you tap on the X and then it gets rid of it. Tap on the X again, tap on the X again, and so on and so forth. Now, like I said, it's going to take some time if you have a lot of things that you've searched for, but this is the pretty much the only way that you can do it since they have released that update. So that would be pretty much how you do it. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.